Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload an item to the Wallapop application that you want to sell. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the upload button down below, which is the third option. Then select a category and tap on the camera icon in order to upload pictures about your product. You can either take a picture with your phone or select an existing picture from your gallery. Click on the relevant one that you prefer and take a photo. Click on use photo down below. Select or add a title. And then add your description. You can also edit your category if you want to do so. Add a subcategory. Select the item condition. Add hashtags if you want to, and indicate your price and your currency. Here you have a bunch of options, and then press the button continue after you are done with all these details, and then you will be ready to upload your item. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.